Hi there, it's Sunday the 26th of February 2023. We're at North Sydney Community Centre with a beautiful group of women here. We're just doing a drumming meditation workshop and we've been drumming for just an hour now, and I'm just going to go through a couple of little rhythms that we've learned to help take you into that flow state, showing you wish to go there again, which I'm sure you will. So, we're going to go into djembe 1. We're going to go into djembe 1. You ready? I'm going to call you in, yeah? I'm going to call you into djembe 1.